Hello everyone, and thank you for being here today for today's professional development workshop, Database Detectives. It's really nice to see you all, although virtually, but it's still great to see you. I'm so excited for us to get started. We're going to play a little spin on the game Four Corners. This version is called Database Corners, and we're going to play it virtually. Each of you, please pick a different scenario from the list on the slide. Then add your name to the Padlet page on the PD website to go to the corner that you feel is the best place for you to source information about the prompted research task or scenario. As you can see, the four corners on the Padlet page are labeled books, Google or other search engines, databases, and experts. Okay, I see everyone has added their name to the corner of choice. Fantastic. I'm going to ask a few of you to share why did you choose the corner for the research task that you had or the research scenario that you had. Okay, please use the raise hand feature in the Google Meet in order to share. Okay, great, fantastic. Those are some great answers. And that takes us to what we are going to learn about and discuss in today's workshop. As educators, we know that research is more than just finding information. It's a process that requires questioning, critical thinking, and strategy. However, these skills are not intuitive for students. They must be taught, modeled, and practiced. In today's session, we will focus on how to guide students in grades 3 to 5 to use databases effectively by teaching them how to ask meaningful questions and develop strong keywords to support successful and engaging research. After today's session, you will be able to locate, identify, and navigate age-appropriate databases, teach students to use key questions and keywords for conducting efficient research, and design a research task for your classroom. You will walk away with practical tools you can use immediately to support your students as confident, capable researchers. All right, let's get started. So, why use databases? Why not just Google it? Anyone have any ideas? Okay, yes, Katie? Yes, absolutely, because databases are safe. Anyone else? Valerie, yes, indeed, because databases can be user-friendly. Those are some good answers. Let's look at some other reasons. So, as we may know, some of the challenges with using internet search engines are that they are unreliable. They have unreliable sources, can yield too many results, and the content is not always age appropriate. Databases can help with research because they provide reliable and accurate information. And as Katie said, they are safe and they are also curated. They also provide age appropriate and curriculum related content. Okay. Now, what do students struggle with when working on research tasks or projects? Louise, tell us. Yeah, definitely. They struggle with choosing a topic. All right. Do any of these on the list sound familiar? Choosing a focused topic, as Louise said, asking meaningful questions, knowing how or what words to search, finding reliable information, and yep, absolutely. Now, do you see any other struggles in your classroom with students or any other areas? No? Okay, so it looks like these are the main ones that we see in our classrooms. All right, fantastic. So we're going to move on to talking about modeling skills through questions and keywords. So we'll get moving with that in a moment.